investing for your future, and you don't need to be an adult to get started. Most countries don't allow people under 18 to open their own investing account. But here's the good news. You can still start investing with your parent or guardian's help through something called a custodial account. What is a custodial account? A custodial account is an investment account opened in your name, but managed by your parent or guardian until you turn 18 or 21 in some places. It's your money, it's your account, but an adult manages it until you're legally old enough. Let's say you're 15 and want to invest in Apple. Your parent helps you open a custodial account on a teen-friendly app. You save up 20 from your allowance or part-time work. You buy a small piece, a fractional share, of Apple through that account. Your money is now invested, and it can grow as Apple grows. When you turn 18 or 21, the account is fully handed over to you. USA, you can use Fidelity Youth Account, Greenlight, or Acorns Early. All need a parent to sign up with you. UK, use Freetrade Junior ISA or Trading 212 with Adult Help Australia, NZ. Try Sharesies, Raise or Stake with a Guardian-linked Europe. eToro and DeGiro are popular, but most require an adult to open the account with you. Why start now as a teen? You'll learn real-life money skills early. You get more time for your investments to grow. Even small amounts grow big over time, thanks to compound growth. You build habits that most adults regret not learning in their teen years. You don't need to wait till you're 18 to become an investor. With a custodial account plus adult support, you can start your investing journey right now and be way ahead of others by the time you're legally an adult. When you want to start investing, the first thing you need is a safe and beginner-friendly platform where you can learn and invest step by step. Different countries have different apps that are made especially for teens or